And what we've got with example 5 is that a manufacturer sells its product for $10 per unit. That's revenue. The manufacturer's fixed costs are $1,200 per month, and the variable costs are $250 per unit. How many units must the company produce and sell to break even? And again, to break even, profit is equal to 0 or revenue is equal to cost. And it looks like we were given the information that we needed to get revenue and cost. So let's go ahead and do that. Revenue is $10 per unit, so 10x. Recognize that the company is not making $10 on each one that they sell. The company is receiving $10, but they're going to have to use all of that money in some cases, or some of that money to pay off costs. So they sell for $10 each. Their costs, they have variable costs of $250 per unit. So that's for every unit sold, or for every unit they produce, it costs them $2.50. And their fixed cost, so the amount of money they have to pay before they ever produce anything, is $1,200 per month. So in order for this company to break even, we need to remember that break even occurs when profit is equal to 0 or revenue is equal to cost. I could go ahead and construct a profit function here because I have revenue and cost. I don't need to though, so I'm not going to, because I can just use revenue and cost straight up to find when this company is going to break even. So again, when revenue is equal to cost, this company will break even. So we'll have 10x equal to 250x plus 1200. We're going to give that to Wolfram, let some stuff happen, and see what we get. So 10x is equal to 250x plus 1200. And we get 160. So with x being equal to 160, the company must sell 160 units to break even. And if we were to derive a profit function from this and do profit equals revenue minus cost, and then set profit equal to 0, we would get 160 from doing that as well, just like we have in a couple problems before this where we did both means of getting the solution. With that, that's it for number 5.